Hey there guys, thank you so much for tuning in to our YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing fantastic. If it is your first time, a very good welcome. If you are already a part of our YouTube family, welcome. By the way, if you guys, hold on, wait a minute. I pray that deep inside, God is reassuring you, letting you know that He's with you and He'll never leave you nor forsake you. Guys, if you would like to know how I achieved this crochet hair, yes, it's crochet hair, honey, stay tuned. This is the hair right here. I use this 3.5. So altogether you need 4. You could use more if you like. It's a lot of hair. I'm gonna give you that. And if you're looking for a quick hairstyle, I'm sorry to say, but this is not it. This can take you, if you're, I'm not saying I'm a perfectionist, but I like things to be done in a particular way. So this could take you probably 10 to 12 hours. I didn't just want to pay $8.99, like $10 per pack for hair and then just have it in for like a month. No, I wanted to rock the life out of this hair, so this is exactly what I intend to do. Just to know a bit about this hair. For the braid-in pattern, I think I have about 20 small braids going halfway, and then I did like the zigzag method. I thought I was in like with the Niagara, but then I saw this and I'm just like, well, hello. I'll give you a close-up as to how the hair looks. You can't really see the crochet, like the cornrows, but really small pieces at the front. So when it comes out of the pack, this is what it looks like. A really nice texture. So it's like a, I tried the Niagara free tress, I've tried the Kima, but honestly I like this hair a lot. I'll tell you why I like it a lot, right? So this is the length of it. So this is how long it is here when you take it out the back. Okay, and as is, I'm gonna be honest with you, I took really small pieces of hair to do the installation. Small pieces. So for the back, this is about how big I used the hair. However, when it came close to the front, I divvied this up into about 4. So I would take little sections like this. So for the back, I used this latch hook right here. And for the front, I used this little one here. If you guys want to see how I installed my crochet wigs, then you'll see how I use this. And this is exactly the method that I used toward the front here. Right? And what I like about this hair, it's really full. Even though it's full, it's really lightweight. They have it in a variety of colors. I think they have it in the 33, 27. I installed the number 2 and a bit of the number 4, but not a whole lot because I really like this color. I didn't use the 1B because I thought it was a little bit too shiny for my liking. So this one just looked perf. Honestly, you cannot tell that this is not my own hair. Let me show you guys the back. Let's see if you can see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys the ways that I can style this hair. made sure that I kind of razored some of these hair, just a little bit, to kind of make it look a little bit more natural. I'm gonna take a section from here and a section from here. Moving forward, I believe I'll be trying this technique more because it works. And the way that I installed it makes sense. I really believe. So if this video was helpful to you guys at all, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you guys would like to know how, or know my technique, like if you don't want to see how I did it for the wig and you just really and truly want to see how I did it because you're interested, then let me know. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you guys can be updated or alerted when I do another video, right? So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and God bless you, and hope to see you in my next video. Please remember that God will never leave you nor forsake you. Bye for now.